Master the Art of Kombucha, a guide to brewing your own. Kombucha has surged in popularity in recent years, celebrated not only for its refreshing taste, but also for its numerous health benefits. Packed with probiotics, antioxidants, and beneficial enzymes, this fermented tea drink can significantly support digestive health and boost your overall wellness. Brewing kombucha at home isn't just a delightful hobby. It's a way to customize flavors, control sugar levels, and ensure quality ingredients. Ready to dive into the world of homemade kombucha? This comprehensive guide has everything you need to master the art of kombucha brewing. Understanding kombucha. What exactly is it? Kombucha is a naturally fermented tea beverage made by combining sweet tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, known commonly as a SCOBY. This fermentation process transforms ordinary tea into a tangy, effervescent drink rich in probiotics, vitamins, and beneficial acids. Health benefits of drinking kombucha. Drinking kombucha regularly can 1. Enhance gut health through probiotics. 2. Support the immune system. 3. Improve digestion. 4. Increase energy levels. 5. Detoxify the liver. 6. Provide antioxidants to combat oxidative stress. Essential kombucha brewing equipment. Before brewing, gather these essential items. A large glass jar 1-2 gallons. 2. SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. 3. Starter tea, pre-brewed kombucha. 4. Tea, black, green, or white. 5. Pure cane sugar. 6. Breathable cloth, like cheesecloth. 7. Rubber bands. 8. Glass bottles for bottling. Step-by-step guide to brewing kombucha at home. Step 1. Prepare your tea base. 1. Boil 4 cups of water. 2. Add 4 to 6 tea bags, black or green tea, and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Dissolve 1 cup of pure cane sugar in the tea while it's still warm. 4. Allow the tea to cool completely to room temperature. Step 2. Ferment with SCOBY. 1. Transfer the cooled tea into your large glass jar. 2. Add your SCOBY and approximately 1-2 cups of starter tea. 3. Cover with breathable cloth secured by a rubber band. 4. Place the jar in a warm, dark spot, ideally around 70-80 degrees. Step 3. Fermentation process. 1. Allow your kombucha to ferment for 7 to 14 days. 2. Taste regularly after the first week. 2. Longer fermentation results in a tangier, less sweet kombucha. Step 4. Bottling and second fermentation. 1. Once the desired taste is achieved, remove your SCOBY and save it for your next batch along with a cup of your kombucha as the new starter tea. 2. Bottle your kombucha using funnel and glass bottles, leaving some space at the top. 3. Add fruits, herbs, or spices at this stage for flavored kombucha. 4. Seal bottles and ferment for an additional 1 to 5 days at room temperature to achieve carbonation. Step 5. Refrigeration and enjoying. 1. Refrigerate your kombucha bottles to slow fermentation and carbonation. 2. Serve chilled and enjoy your homemade kombucha. Choosing the right ingredients. High-quality ingredients make superior kombucha. Always opt for organic tea and pure cane sugar. Avoid teas with added oils such as Earl Grey, as they can harm your SCOBY. Flavoring your kombucha. Experiment with delicious flavors by adding 1. Fresh fruits like berries, mango, or pineapple. 2. Herbs such as mint, basil, or rosemary. 3. Spices like ginger, cinnamon, or turmeric. Adding these ingredients during bottling enhances flavor and adds additional health benefits. Troubleshooting common kombucha brewing issues. Mold formation. Ensure cleanliness, adequate acidity, and proper ventilation to avoid mold. Discard moldy batches and thoroughly sterilize your equipment. Lack of carbonation. Carbonation requires airtight bottles during the second fermentation. Adjust the amount of added sugar or fruit and increase fermentation time to improve fizz. Too sour or vinegary. Shorten fermentation duration or reduce SCOBY size to prevent overly sour kombucha. Caring for your SCOBY. A healthy SCOBY is crucial for successful brewing. 1. Store SCOBY submerged in kombucha starter tea between batches. 2. Regularly inspect SCOBY health. Healthy SCOBY should be pale beige, smooth, and without mold. 3. Share extra SCOBYs with friends or compost to manage SCOBY growth. Scaling up. Brewing larger batches. As your kombucha brewing skills grow, you may wish to brew larger quantities. Invest in larger vessels and consider a continuous brewing system, which simplifies the process and provides a steady supply of kombucha. Kombucha brewing safety tips. 1. Always maintain cleanliness and sanitation. 2. Use glass or food-grade stainless steel containers to avoid contamination. 3. Monitor fermentation temperature closely. Creative kombucha recipes boost your kombucha experience with these creative recipe ideas. 1. Ginger lemon kombucha. Add sliced ginger and fresh lemon juice during the second fermentation for a zesty, invigorating drink. 2. Berry blast. Kombucha. Infuse your kombucha with strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries for a sweet and antioxidant-rich beverage. 3. Turmeric spice kombucha. Blend turmeric and cinnamon for an anti-inflammatory, flavorful twist. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How do I know when my kombucha is ready? Taste your kombucha regularly after day 7. It should taste pleasantly tangy, slightly sweet, and mildly effervescent. Can kombucha become alcoholic? Yes, kombucha naturally contains small amounts of alcohol, usually less than 0.5%. Extended fermentation can slightly increase alcohol content. How long can kombucha be stored? Bottled kombucha stays fresh for up to 3 months in the refrigerator, though the flavor might continue to change slightly over time. Conclusion: brewing your own kombucha is a rewarding, healthy, and creative journey. By mastering this art, you'll enjoy endless flavor possibilities, significant health benefits, and the satisfaction of homemade wellness. Start your kombucha adventure today. Your body and taste buds will thank you.